In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your video to Vimeo and seamlessly achieve the best settings for embedding it in your Behance project. This process ensures that your video maintains high-quality playback, whether you're showcasing your latest creative work or presenting to potential clients. It's a straightforward series of steps, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by uploading your video to Vimeo. If you haven't uploaded a video before, don't worry. Vimeo's interface is intuitive. Once your video is uploaded, you need to decide on the privacy settings. For embedding purposes, you'll want to make sure it's public, or you can select a privacy setting that allows for embedding. This is crucial because an incorrect privacy setting could prevent viewers from accessing your content when embedded elsewhere. Now that your video is on Vimeo, let's move to the embedding process. You'll need to click on the Share button, which is typically located below your video. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but you should select Embed. This takes you to a useful customization menu where you can tailor how your video will appear when embedded. In these customization settings, you're going to want to enable both Autoplay and Loop. Autoplay means your video will start playing as soon as someone visits the page, which is great for capturing attention instantly. Enabling the Loop setting ensures that your video replays automatically once it finishes, making it ideal if you have short visual pieces that should repeat without user intervention. Once you've selected these options, the next step is to copy the iframe embed code that Vimeo generates for you. This code is essential for embedding your video elsewhere. However, to further optimize your embed for multiple video presentations, you might want to manually adjust the iframe code by appending certain parameters. Specifically, you can add autoplay equals 1 and loop equals 1 directly in the iframe source URL. Additionally, if you have multiple videos playing simultaneously, adding the parameter autopause equals 0 can be really beneficial. This parameter prevents one video from pausing when another different video starts playing, ensuring continuous playback across all videos. So, your iframe source URL might look something like this, beginning with the Vimeo link followed by question mark, adding these parameters in succession. Autoplay equals 1, loop equals 1, and optionally, autopause equals 0. Next, head to your Behance project editor. Here, you'll want to choose the Embed Media option and then paste your modified iframe code into the interface. This step embeds your Vimeo video into your Behance project as intended. Lastly, before you go live, it's wise to preview your Behance project. This allows you to verify that your video is functioning correctly. Check that it autoplays, loops seamlessly, and, if applicable, doesn't pause any other videos you might have added. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and hit publish. And there you have it, a perfectly embedded Vimeo video on your Behance project that plays automatically and loops, offering viewers a polished experience.